Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change phone type of a particular number on your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top right corner. After that you guys will need to select on this account settings option. Now get on the left side and scroll down. Now select account owner information. Now scroll down here and you guys can see this option right here called phone. Now select its update button. Now as you can see there is only one phone number right here and select its edit button. Now you guys can see this option right here called phone type. Now select this scroll down icon and select one of these options that you want to change to. Let's say I want to change from work to mobile, then select mobile and then select on update details. And that's how you guys can change your phone type of a particular phone number on your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.